Welcome to this Leonardo AI tutorial. I will give you a quick overview what you can do with Leonardo AI. Basically, it is a text-to-image generator, but it's really powerful, and the best thing about this, it's free. Let's dive right into it. First thing I have to tell you about Leonardo, it is still in the early access phase. To get access, just type in your email right over here, or click on Get Early Access, type in your email here, and count me in. I heard they roll out invites every other day or every week. For me, I had to wait like 2 days. So once you're invited, you get an email, and then you can click on Launch App. Yes, I'm whitelisted, and then you are in. When you're logged in, you get to this page. On the middle you can see the feature models. Leonardo AI is based on Stable Diffusion. In the middle you can see feature models. For example, Leonardo Diffusion, Dream Shaper, Deliberate. Every model is trained on a specific dataset. For example, if you want to generate vintage style photography, you could go with this model right over here. If you want to create some portrait stuff or photorealism, you should go with Deliberate. You can also click on the arrow on the right side. There's even paper art style, illustration, Leonardo Creative, Spirit Creatures, pixel art, character portrait. So these are the feature models, and you can also click on one model and see images which was created with this model, and you can also click generate with this model. And yeah, we will skip this part for now and look what else we get. So if we scroll down, we can find the member gallery. These are all the trending pictures that the people share. If you really like one particular image, you can click on it, and there you can see who created this picture. Here you can see the prompt details, you can see the negative prompt, you can see the resolution, and which model was used. Now you could click image to image and redo this prompt. You can also look for new generations and top generations, so that's the landing page. Now we take a closer look to the left side. On the left side you can see your credits. You get 150 credits each day, and they don't stack, so spend them each day to get the most out of it. If you hover over this question mark, you can see the reset timer, so in 4 hours this will reset. You can also upgrade your account. For now, I don't want to dive too deep into the pricing, but if you're interested in upgrading your account, stop the video right here and just read the descriptions. So now back to the left menu. We are on the home page now. Down below you can find the community feed. Really nice. You can get a lot of inspiration out of here. Then you can find your personal feed. This is which images you generated. So I made a lot of MrRaccoon stuff. Then a really cool thing is the training datasets. I trained this model on my face, so what I want to do with it is creating thumbnails, and here you can find fine-tuned models. These are the platform models you can also find on the home page. Then you can find the community models. You can also search for specific things. You can search for a category, for example pixel art. You can search for game items, textures. You can find your own models. So now we have a deeper look on the most important part, the AI image generation. If you click on AI generation tool, you get to this page. Of course, on the top you can type in the prompt. Down below you can choose the model. You can choose between feature models or the custom models. Then there's Leonardo style. I can't tell you what Leonardo style does, but I think it gives the pictures more depth. And then you can add negative prompting. So if you want to exclude things from your picture, just type them in. Then you can see the images you created. And the tool I really like on Leonardo AI is the prompt generation. So if you click on this tool, you can enter a basic prompt idea, MrRaccoon with a new paper, into it, and then you can choose the number of prompts to generate. So we go for 6 prompts and click on ideate on the right side, and then it will generate 6 prompts for you that you can use instantly. This will take a few seconds. Once you've finished creating the prompt, you can click on generate, or you can edit the prompt. But for now we will just click on generate and see the outcome of this new prompt. We use the Dream Shaper V6 model for this, and it's 8 tokens. And there we go, this is the mischievous MrRaccoon perched atop a stack of newspapers reading the headlines. If you scroll down in the middle part, you can see latest generations with the prompts you gave. And now we have a closer look on the left side. Of course, you can see your credits. Then you can choose the number of images, how many images you want to generate with the prompt. If you change the number, also the tokens on the right side will increase. Then there's this alchemy thing. It's a powerful new image generation pipeline, but it's only usable in the paid plan for now. Then there's prompt magic. This is a custom render pipeline that has far greater prompt adherence and can improve the output with any chosen model. Then there's a high contrast. This will give a moodier image with more shadows. Just play with it. I always keep those two settings on. Underneath high contrast, you can find the prompt magic strength. The higher the number is, the more weight it puts into the prompt. I would leave this number between 4 and 6. Then you can find the image dimensions. If you have this swan sign like I do right now, the trained model is not trained on this size. So normally if you change the model, you can see the size from the model. So it's 768 by 768. So you should go with this size, and then it removes the swan sign. There you can also choose the aspect ratio. The guidance scale tells how strongly the prompt is weighted. A guidance scale between 5 to 9 is okay. You also get warning signs that a high or low guidance scale can produce unwanted results, and so leave it between 5 and 9 to get the best out of it. ControlNet allows you to influence your generations with input images. This only works with Stable Diffusion 1.5. And then you have tiling if you want to create repeating textures or backgrounds. Then you can upload images, and then you can use seeds, and yeah, that's it. So back to the home page. On the left side you can also find user tools, AI canvas, and this is a really cool tool. So now you have to drag in a picture. For now I will take this Elon Musk sitting in trash and garbage. You can find the video how I made this picture right over here. And now if I want to expand this picture, I drag it halfway through. I say something like garbage and trash bags, and then we click on generate, and hopefully we get something we can work with. Down below you will see this also costs tokens, and there we go. You always get 4 pictures. So I think the first one's the best one. So now we get the rest of it, and there we go. How we extended the whole picture. We also get 4 generations. There's a creepy hand crawling out of this bag. I think we just take this one. So then we head over to this side, even lower the size just to show you trash and garbage. And then we click on generate, more trash. I really like this one. Then we finish the picture and we say generate. I think this one's the best one. And there you go. Then you can download the artwork, and then there's the texture generation. If you are into 3D modeling, you can try it. I have no 3D models yet, I'm sorry, but feel free to check it out. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions about Leonardo AI, leave them down in the comment section below. Please hit the like and the subscribe button for more videos like this. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.